chattering is honestly what you experienced. Inner chattering means you are thinking. If your thinking and experience is one and the same, you don't have to prepare. Just open up. Whatever comes out is your experience. It's like if somebody asks your name, do you prepare? Or do you carry hints to tell that? No. It's your experience. If something has not become your experience, you have to prepare to deliver a lecture. Be very clear. If you are preparing to deliver a lecture, or if you are afraid of public speaking, be very clear, you are filled with lies. Why do you think we are afraid of public speaking? We are afraid that we may speak what we are thinking. Nothing else. All our fear is, we may just spell out what is going on inside. Without our knowledge, we may just spell out what is going on inside. The only difficulty is, we know so much of garbage is going on inside. Dirt is there inside. Suddenly something may erupt out. Suddenly something may come out. That is why first you need to prepare what you should say. Then you should prepare how you should say. Then you should see that you don't say something else. Then you should be very clear, you remember one by one all the points, next. Otherwise, if you don't remember some one point, you may start talking on your own, which is going to be the truth of what you are thinking. So all our preparation is just to hide what we are thinking. Be very clear. If you are a speaker and you are preparing for your speeches, be very sure what you are speaking is a pure lie. It has not become your experience. It is not become a truth of your being. It has not got internalized in your being. It is just memorized and vomited. What do you think? We prepare so many courteous words. Again and again we say, nice to see you. It is so nice to be around you. It is so nice to spend time with you. Just after that you will say, can I move? It is time. Even though I wanted to spend some time with you, I have some urgent work. You know what you are thinking. A small story. One teacher was walking in the corridor of a school. Students were all greeting her. She simply nodded her head and started telling under her breath, same to you, same to you. One of her colleagues asked, why you don't greet when kids greet you? You just say same to you, same to you. And she said, after all, I was also a student. I know what they are thinking in their mind. What they are thinking in their mind. So whenever you greet, just be aware, underneath your greeting, what is the thoughts going on? What's your thoughts? Just be little aware. How many times you have to edit when you speak? And I tell you, if you are established in only one thing, truth, your inner chattering will disappear. Your inner chattering will disappear. Your thinking will disappear. If you are established just in one thing called truth, if you are completely truthful, you don't have to think and speak. Whenever it is necessary, you can just speak and relax. Why do you continuously think? Not only for lectures or discourses or public speech, even when you go to meet your friend, In the car you will be sitting and thinking. Even when you go to meet your friend, what do? In the car itself you do the rehearsal of the whole show. Now you know what to start, how to start, what to speak. If she asks this question, what to answer. If you ask this question, what to reply, and how to take the conversation. You do a complete rehearsal. Practically you do complete rehearsal. When you go there, if he starts talking some other subject, you are lost. You make whole thing mess. That is different. Even to talk to your friend, see, if you have to prepare to talk to your boss, we can understand. It is your profession. You have to be courteous, otherwise you will lose your job. You will lose your job. You will lose your basic needs. That is at least basic need. Forget about it. But we have become so corrupted, even to talk to our friends, even to relate with our family people, continuously we prepare our dialogues. If you are preparing continuously, be very clear, whatever you are saying is lie.